Today we're hiking in Santa Barbara. We're moving back to the Northeast next year and want to try as many new hikes as we can. Come spend the day with us. It's 5:45 on a Sunday morning and I am awake because my brain decided it was time to get up. I was getting up at 6:30 today anyway because we have a big hiking day. When can I wake Francis up? Good morning. What?
They fit your face nice. Food and water for us, so.
Honey, that's so cute that you have that. Throw it?
Yeah.
Good girl. Oh, good girl. It's okay. I hope it's good. Good girl.
My favorite chips. This brown and the flavor. Hi. Can't believe how much we can see.
Thanks for hanging out. I'll see you tomorrow.